Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how you can not just play but stream YouTube on background on your Android device while doing other works. So it's like a floating YouTube window that'll float over whatever you do on your Android, and it's basically you can do anything on YouTube while doing your favorite works or browsing the internet. And as you can see, I'm doing it right now, and this one it's minimizable, and with border reducing options you can easily move it anywhere or resize it in any shape you want, and even take it anywhere. So to do this, you'll have to download this app. Download link is in the description, so get the app from there, and then you'll be redirected to show the features of the app. When you open it, it offers powerful multitasking with amazing features, and it'll require some permissions to run, so grant all of them. And there, it's done, and then you'll continue. And when it'll launch, you'll see in the top left there's this icon which is like the trigger switch, and then you can close it. Don't mind it, this is just an additional setting for my device, Huawei. I'll just leave this, you don't have to worry, and you can use all of these apps as floating windows just like YouTube. Now to do it, just click on that top left icon there, and from the list just select YouTube, and you can basically do it. There you have it. But remember, this YouTube is actually different from your YouTube app, so you'll need to sign in and do whatever you should do to take the full fun of it. And as you can see, it's easily resizable, and it will automatically fit to the set, and it really comes in handy. So you can at the same time browse, stream YouTube while doing other works on your Android just through this simple trick. And not just one, you can use different other apps, though it may slow down your phone a bit. As you can see, I'm watching our video here, the video on how to download GTA 5. It's even a powerful multitasker, and see, I can open another window here of the notes to take in notes, and it supports quite a lot of apps that really handle, like calculator and others, and I can remove them anywhere, resize them, minimize them. And so that's all. And if you like this video helped you, then don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe us, because it will help us grow and help you also to stay notified of our every videos by clicking the bell icon. That's all. Thanks, and have a nice day.